Hey guys, today I'm gonna compare two best budgeting apps, YNAB and EveryDollar. Let's start with pricing. YNAB offers a free trial and then comes in at around $14.99 a month, or you can opt for an annual plan for a bit more savings. EveryDollar, on the other hand, provides a solid free version with essential budgeting tools, while its premium version is available for annual fee that won't break the bank. Now, on the user experience, YNAB is built around a proactive zero-based budgeting philosophy. It challenges you to assign every dollar a job, empowering you to truly take control of your money. EveryDollar also embraces the zero-based method, but with a cleaner, more streamlined interface, designed specially for beginners and those who prefer simplicity. So feature-wise, both apps shine in their own ways. YNAB delivers robust goal tracking, detailed reporting, and hands-on financial education that helps you rethink your spending habits. EveryDollar focuses on ease of use, offering seamless banking integrations, straightforward expense tracking, and intuitive tools that let you adjust your budget in real time. When it comes to the support, you can't go wrong with either. YNAB boasts a vibrant community, online classes, and extensive resources to keep you motivated. EveryDollar also provides comprehensive tutorials and supportive user community to guide you on your financial journey. So, if you're ready to dive into hands-on budgeting approach that transforms your money mindset, YNAB might be your perfect match. But if you value simplicity and want to start for free, EveryDollar is an excellent choice. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.